So good morning everyone. So I'm Logishwaran, Assistant Professor from the Department of Civil Engineering, KPR Institute of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. In this video, we are going to discuss one of the real-time project executed in Erode City Municipal Corporation. So it is nothing but a newly constructed bus station for exclusive southbound buses in a place named Solar Pudur. So this bus station serves for southbound buses serving the city of Erode, and now I am standing in the canopy of city bus services, and you can see this is the entrance for the bus station, and this particular location is the entrance point, and the road opposite to this is the leaving point of the bus station. And you can see in front of the canopy there is a space provided for shelter, and there are a lot of trees sampled over here for gardening and landscaping purpose, and there are few islands to separate the passage of buses entering and leaving the bus station. And you can see that there are a lot of space provided for ideal buses exclusively having a lot of long-term services. And this is the space surrounding around the bus station, and the space now you can see is the in front portion of the bus station, and you can see there is a large canopy having made of steel structures with an amazing aesthetic view of the top surface. And now it is possible to see what are the facilities that is provided in the front portion of the building and around the bus terminus that you can see here. So let us see one by one. And most probably the space is provided for buses, city buses, picking up and dropping off the passengers to and from the city. And it is a vast space provided to handle large number of traffic volumes and having lot of potentials to take over the passengers without any traffic flow interruption. And it is a simple structure with a single post, and some lights are provided for designing the getting the view during the nighttime conditions. And hope the once the bus station starts accessing, it will create a big impact for the passengers. And still the construction works are going on in and around for shops, parking spaces, and few more facilities to be provided. And this now we are in the front entrance of the bus station. So hope you can see that the named Erode Managarachi Pudiya Perundu Nilayam Solar, and this is about Erode Corporation's new bus station at Solar. Solar is a local name, and the name itself is Solar. It's not a solar bus station. In front of the building, terminal building, there are some images that express the opinion of the bus station. So let us see one by one what it says. And the first image shows the sample image of the bus station, how it works and how it is going to be in future after completing all the landscaping works. And you can see this, and on the right hand side there is another image how the buses are parked with respect to the dynamic movement of vehicles. And you can see that there are lot of bays, around 63 bays is inside this bus station. And in addition to that, around 134 shops are available for various purposes. Since it was established earlier and inaugurated during the previous time, now it is going to be a big one for the city of Erode. So let us take a look around the city, what it says and how it is going to serve for the large number of passengers. And you can see there is a aesthetic view, and it appears to be good and enough for handling large volume of passengers. So let us see how the bay conditions and how it is provided and what are all the routes. And as per the Indian Road Congress conditions, IRC standards, how it is provided, let us see. Usually the bus station is for both um, normal people as well as disabled people. It should be designed. So in this point of view, there are some tactile flooring was provided, and you can see this tactile flooring helps the disabled passengers, and helps them to guide the route to the particular area and to the desired destination, so without any traffic interruptions. And so the pedestrian platform provided is sufficient in nature and helps to give a lot of space for handling huge volume of passengers. And even the pedestrian counts is increased, it is able to have the sufficient capacity. So this is the overall view that we can adopt in this bus station. And now we are seeing the bus bays provided for individual routes, and you can see that there is a name board at the post of the canopy, and you can see that that particular route is serving for the area. And this is the bus bay provided at an angle of 45 degree. So as per the IRC conditions, it should be located at the attached to the platform without having any improvements. So in this point of view, it is sufficient to take enormous amount of passengers. And I want to highlight that this bus station doesn't have any conflict points, so that we can easily adopt information based on the normal standard conditions. And can see that there are lot of shops and um, facilities provided in the terminal building. And around the terminal building, the bus bays are provided, so that it will be a good one, and passengers roaming can be restricted, and the controlled movement can be ensured. So I think this must be a good design to establish modern bus stations in future like this anywhere in India. So this is one of the good example. And most probably the surrounding location is also good, so there is no connection between the passengers roaming and the bus departing or bus movement area, and the entire bus circulation is totally free from the passenger movements. So it's a good design, and again it will not create any conflicts between the vehicles and the passengers. So there is a less chance of accidents, as well as improved service level of service can be attained, even though in future there are lot of traffic will get abrupts. And one more thing, there are few other facilities for passengers who are coming in and around the bus station, and there are lock rooms and electrical rooms, restroom facilities, waiting halls, etc. are available here, so that it will be a good one for every person who is approaching the bus terminus, and it will create a good facilities, and it will provide good facilities for the passengers. And in between the bus stations, there is a landscaping. So to improve the green area ratio and to maintain the green area ratio, there are lot of inside facilities are provided. So let us walk through that and how it is provided. So now we are moving towards the center point of the bus station, and it is looking like a squared bus station. So here you can see there are lot of shops inside the bus station, and provided landscape facilities inside it, and few trees are planted and sampled over here to maintain the green area ratio. So it is easy for the passengers to move from one direction to another direction without any interruptions. So this is the main highlight that I want to mention in this bus station. And almost we are in the center point of the bus station, and most probably you can see this. It's a controlled traffic movement for both pedestrians and vehicles, so that it will be easy to move towards the desired destination without much passenger walking distance. And all the facilities are included within a single terminal, helps the passengers and reduces the roaming in and around the bus stations. So in that point of view, engineering aspects are fully satisfied, and it doesn't have any problem or conflict problems inside this. So I hope this one is the best and modern design that I have ever seen before, and this point of view is going to be a big one. And you can see there is a vacant space around this bus station over here, and this helps the passengers for easy boarding and arriving. And so through this video we can observe that how the bus stations are designed and how the routes are segregated, and there is a demand for each route. So any transit planners, before designing a bus station, we have to make sure that it should be conflict free and sufficient capacity should be observed before designing. And one more thing, it should be free from the traffic obstructions. So by satisfying all these aspects, we can design a sustainable layout design. And with this conclusion, Erode solar new bus station is going to be a big threat for Erode to create a traffic traffic free flow without any service delays. So thank you for watching this video, and we will see you in another video with the same real-time applications. Thank you.